Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you just a slight alteration that you can do to Tibetan Rite number 4 or the tabletop to really hit the muscles of your upper back and make them a little bit stronger. So with Tibetan Rite number 4 or the tabletop, you sit like so, nice and tall, and you just swing your body into the tabletop. So we've done this before. I think they've probably got 4 videos of this movement, and now this will be 5. But it's a good movement, and it opens up your shoulders, opens up your hips, turns on your glutes. It does so many cool things for you. Activates your vestibular system. It's just a good movement. But if we alter it just a little bit, and when I mean a little bit, it's probably not even gonna look like much, but if we alter it just a little bit, you're gonna feel it in a whole different way. So again, here we are normally, and that's the tabletop. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna soften our elbows. So I'm gonna keep them slightly bent, and I'm gonna swing into that tabletop, but I'm not gonna have my elbows locked. I'm gonna keep them slightly bent, and now I'm going to also push through the floor with my hands. And hello, back and shoulder muscles, mid-back, there they are. They're like, hey Tim, thanks for bringing us to the party. So, and that's all we're doing. It's very slight. So instead of being locked elbows, slightly bent, and just push your arms, trying to imagine you're pushing your hands through the floor. Even if you can't imagine what that would feel like to push your hands in through the floor, if you just keep your elbows slightly bent, you're still gonna find those muscles in your upper back so much differently than if your elbows are locked. And it's really a contrast and compare thing. Because you're like, is it that different? Yeah, it's a little bit different. So straight to soft or bent, and you can still keep your shoulders down so that your beautiful long neck is, yeah, if you're not a giraffe, don't worry about it. But elbows slightly bent, and it just hits your upper back with a little more oomph. And you can still swing these back and forth with the elbows slightly bent. And you do enough of them, or just hold it. But if you do a lot of them, man, upper back muscles around your shoulders. Thank you very much for bringing us to the party. Anyway, guys, that's it. It's a slight variation, just a tiny bend in your elbows. Or play with it. Play with how much bend you can do to feel the differences that it makes in your swinging tabletop or in your Tibetan Rite number 4. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.